Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about driving high-performing teams in your organization. I've been running a business for 3 years now, where I've run teams from 1 to 10 to 15 all at once. Here are the things that I've learned working on this every single day. What is the most important thing in business? People, 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 people. We hear it time and time again. It could not be more true. It all has to do with people and having a high-performing team. Here are 3 ways that you can bring out a high-performing culture within your organization. Make sure each person has a goal, or goals that they're working towards. If your goal does not correlate to the vision of what you have for the organization, then you need to strip that goal right back, start again, and make sure that goal maps towards the vision of what you're creating. Goals take time. They involve a lot of thought, implementation, execution, measurement, and should be treated as a big project yourself, being a manager and a leader accordingly. Number 2, to drive high-performing teams, having a feedback culture. As a leader, if you don't provide feedback to your team members, you're actually holding them back from developing and becoming the best version that they can be in your organization. The way that you deliver this as a leader is very important. It's integral that you're not putting it or framing it in a way that's putting them down, but identifying ways that they can become better and greater than they can ever imagine. I believe it's everyone's responsibility to be involved when it comes to a coaching role. Even though as a leader of an organization, yes, you are to be a coach ongoing, everyone's responsibility should be to make everyone the best. People tend to get behind a vision. Ensure that you're articulating the why and the vision of why you're doing what you're doing and why this goal is important to the broader business goals. I find that your teams will work 10 times more harder when they're driving themselves towards a vision and a passion and a purpose that's going to grow everyone and make the business a success. What's really important about measuring inputs is that you're just trusting that the activity that you're doing as the inputs is going to correlate to the outcome being achieved. I find this to be a lot more measurable and a way that we can then get towards our results. They're the 3 things: making sure you do your goal setting right, ensuring you set up a feedback culture, measuring your inputs along the way to make sure that they're on their way to success. Thank you guys for watching. If you need any more information, you can come contact us anytime, and if not, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. So right now for you, the expenses are generally lower. When you start to incorporate things such as office space, headcount, if you're a solopreneur, it also means that you will have less mentoring, leadership, critical